Mudras is a door for prosperity life and which helps in removing all the negativity within us and helps in removing out the diseases inside us. Mudras are very unique. Why? By performing that or by practicing mudra regularly, that will helps us or that will give improvement in our health. This gesture balances the solar energy channel. Namaste, welcome to Amsa Yoga. This is me, Gangotri Yogin. Welcome back to another Mudra episode. In our body, there are 72,000 Nadis, isn't it? There are three main Nadis. The solar energy Nadi or the Surya Nadi is called Pingala Nadi. The Chandra Nadi, it's called Ida Nadi. So the third main Nadi is called nothing but a Sushumna Nadi. Ida, Pingala and Sushumna Nadi. Today we are going to learn the mudra called as Pingala. By practicing of this mudra, it fills your radiance of the sun. As I mentioned, this mudra gives up the solar energy, nothing but the sun energy into our body through the body and through your breath. When you practice this mudra, you feel more energetic, more lightness in your body. When we look at the sun, how the shines, how the energy is there. Same way we receive the same kind of energy by doing this mudra. This mudra encourage yourself to achieve or fulfill your dream and the ambition by increasing the more concentration and the focus. This is very simple but very effective for you to practice this mudra. Let's see how to practice this mudra. Just touch your both hand, the ring finger to the thumb like this into the Prithvi mudra. Got it? Your right hand need to get down and your left hand need to be up like this. This is what called Pingala mudra. To your navel you need to practice this mudra because this is how your solar energy will be raised up through your body by practicing this mudra. You don't need to touch like this. There should be light gap between each hands. This is how you need to hold. The right hand down, placing the right hand down, palm facing upward, the left hand up, palm facing downward. How long you need to practice this mudra? Practice this mudra 10 minutes every day. This is simple. You can include this mudra during your meditation practice, actually which helps in increasing your concentration and the focus. Benefits by performing this mudra. As the Surya energy increase in your body, automatically the fire element increase in your body. By increasing of the fire element, you feel nice and super digestion power. With that, your metabolism will be increased very nicely. With this, your immunity will also get stronger, will help in concentrating in your life, feeling of enthusiasm, coupling with the clear thinking and decision making. This mudra helps in increasing the radiance of one true self. That's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family. I'll be back with another video. Till then, let's practice yoga. Let's be happy in our life. Namaste. Take care. Bye-bye.